Well, hello there, Mr. Snowmobile. I got your text that your tunnel was all itchy and scratchy from all those cattails. So I got you some really nice scratchers. Yes, we'll be giving you nice tunnel scratch up here. How about I get these bad boys open for you? There are some nice Duraflex high rollers. Get them in there. Oh yeah, these are the good ones. There we go. We got our scratchers, some instructions, a picture. Looks like some Loctite. But you know, who needs this stuff? What are you gonna do with those? I mean, it's just instructions. Who cares about that? Now, would you like one scratcher? Or would you like two scratch? I think you probably want two. So let's just start. Oh yeah. Oh, you probably like it. Oh yeah. Oh, you really like it. Oh yeah. Oh, you're getting happy. It's like, what's going on, guys? So today it is currently Friday and it's gorgeous out here, like 28 degrees, and I'm gonna install some scratchers on the XKS. There's some Duraflex high rollers. They got like little washers on them, so easy to replace. You can basically replace it with any like hardware store washers. You don't have to buy any special tips, so that's why we chose these today. So tomorrow morning I'm actually gonna be going out for a ride. I think we're gonna go to Inspiration Point. It'll be a pretty cool trip. So we're gonna try that. I'm gonna show you how to put these on today. We're getting ready for the ride. So it's gonna be like, tomorrow's gonna be like 32, so it's a little warm. So for the big old lawn track here, you know, keep everything running a little cooler and keep everything nice and lubricated on those trails. So yeah, let's get right into it. All right, guys. To start things off, make your life a little easier. You're gonna want some to pop the back of the track, so you're not pushing your reflection in the high rollers. So I just got this little toolbox here. What you'll simply do is just slip it underneath there. Voila! Also gonna need a drill and a 9/16 drill bit to drill your holes. Luckily, we don't have to do that because there's already holes pre-drilled in there. We just gotta make them a little bit bigger. You're gonna need a 9/16 wrench or socket, and most importantly, you're gonna need your scratchers. So let's get to it. So I can see there's a hole there we gotta get ready to go. So you're gonna take your 3/8 drill bit and your drill. You're gonna stick it in there, and then you're gonna we just gotta make ours bigger in that case. You just gotta drill your hole about 2 to 3 inches above. And you can just test fit with you. There's one. And there's two. Now all you gotta do now is take your scratcher, you're gonna place it at 90 degree, take that, make sure you keep that washer on there, take these and kind of screw them in, just get them ready to go here. Make sure they're nice and snug so they don't go anywhere. Those suckers aren't going anywhere. And we just pee on the other side, and you're good to go. No, that wasn't so hard, was it? No. So now you got your nice scratchers all installed in there, so now to keep everything nice and cool. Your track, your tunnel, nothing's gonna overheat, and lugs aren't gonna start flying off. So yeah, so let's get ready for tomorrow morning throughout. It's gonna be a super fun ride. So yeah, we're gonna see you guys in the morning.